How to measure picture size in Microsoft Word. So right click on your picture and here the option size and position. Click on it. So in this layout, here you will see the original size, height 10.67 and width is 16. Once you click on this size tab and if you unselect expect ratio, so here you can make size as you need, like this. So thanks for watching.